What do you want, Snoopy? Had to play Scooby-Doo. He's on vacation. We get new friends. You get new friends. For you, Snoopy. I don't have new friends. I miss Scooby-Doo. Will you shut up? Alright. Show me your toys. Here's all the toys I have. Okay, we can put in a box. I get the box. Here, you put it in the box and make a dog puppy. First, we get Thomas the train. Goody. First, we get Yoshi toy. You got it, Charlie Brown. Now we get the Georgie pig. Excellent. We get the dog, Blue's Clues. Yay! Now we get the locker. Yay! Now step aside. Hit the music. I didn't able to do this, man. I said, hit the music, boys! Oh, okay. And we're done. It's for you. Here's your new friend. Yeah! This not a puppy. It's not in a box. It is. Just look. It's open. Meet your friend, Big Red Puppy. Ow! Ow! Snoopy, meet your friend Clifford the puppy, red dog. Go away! Snoopy, don't be rude. It's just Clifford, a small dog. It's a puppy. Just don't be shy. Hello? Okay. Come on, gotta beat this game. Alright, let's play tag. I tag Gurek. You can have me. Ow! Dear Poodle, dear Scooby-Doo, I miss you so much because I had a red dog. Huh? Clifford, what the heck are you doing here? Why are you staying in my paper? No, they're my papers. Draw Scooby-Doo. Hey, give that back! Give me that paper! Give me that! Get that back! Whoa! Ugh. My note! Clifford, bad dog! Bad Clifford, bad Clifford, bad dog! Bad small dog puppy. Oh! Okay, Snoopy, you can hear my game now. Oh! That dog is killing me. I love dogs, big red dogs. Snoopy, have your friend. Friend want to go to sleep with your friend. Clifford, he's staying in your bed. in a long time. He's staying a long time. He's not going to Emily Elizabeth. It goes to me. For you. Okay, kiss goodnight. Aw, how cute. Thanks, Charlie Brown. Thanks again, my friend, for me. No problem. Good night.